Vedanta acquires Nicomet, India's only nickel producer now. Vedanta acquires Nicomet. Anil Agrawal-led Vedanta Limited said on Monday it has gained Goa-based Nicomet, a main nickel and cobalt maker. The organization is making the obtaining when the nickel market is fixing with a rise in battery interest and an expansion in worldwide treated steel creation as of recently, a pattern expected to proceed into 2022, said Vedanta in an official statement. In supporting government's main goal for an Atma-Nirbhar Bharat, we are amped up for Vedanta's introduction to nickel and cobalt production, which will make a basic part. Nickel and cobalt are a metal of extraordinary key significance, particularly for our change towards clean energy and electric versatility. Presently, India imports 100% of its nickel prerequisites, and our center will be to support homegrown production that would fuel India's progress to a net zero economy, the delivery cited Anil Agrawal, executive of Vedanta Limited, as saying. Nicomet has the ability to create 7.5 tons per year of nickel and cobalt. With an aspiring development plan set up, Vedanta said it is very much ready to meet 50% of the nation's absolute nickel demand. Few out of every odd procurement needs CCI endorsement. Under the Competition Act, certain jurisdictional edges host to be crossed by the gatherings to trigger a notice necessity. Since Nicomet was in liquidation, it is conceivable that dependent on its resource and turnover esteem, the securing had the option to profit such exclusion and no warning was required, clarified Nilambera Sandeepan, joint accomplice at Lakshmi Kumaran and Sridharan attorneys, alluding to the Competition Commission of India, the counter trust controller. Vedanta gets Goa-based Nicomet turns out to be only nickel manufacturer in India. With this obtaining, Vedanta Limited has turned into the main nickel maker in the country. The company didn't reveal the arrangement size of the securing. Since the resource procured was under Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, IBC, it doesn't need CCI, Competition Commission of India, endorsement, said a representative at Vedanta Limited. Vedanta acquires Nicomet. Nicomet marks a significant key procurement for Vedanta as it is relied upon to reinforce its iron and steel business portfolio. Nickel is a key natural substance utilized in the assembling of hardened steel and batteries for electric vehicles, EVs. Close by, cobalt is utilized for lithium-ion batteries for EVs, energy stockpiling structures, and superalloy for steel making. The plant has not been functional starting around 2018, so there is no head count at the unit as of now. We, Vedanta, plan to restart this unit by March 2022, said the Vedanta representative. The Nicomet procurement is in accordance with Vedanta's ESG mission and will uphold India's carbon lack of bias objectives, said Vedanta. Guaranteed with ISO 9001 for quality and with a solid R&D center, Nicomet has arisen as an ensured maker of top-notch battery-grade nickel sulfate crystals utilized for assembling batteries of electric vehicles worldwide. India's demand for nickel is as of now rise at 45,000 tons for every annum, which is altogether met through imports as of now.